and dominate or Ghana media news, but not a fly outside.
Yeah.
So were you disappointed in a way?
Yeah, I was disappointed because I realized at least there are so many bloggers all over social media. The next day, Obisa me say, do we have media in our country?
Hello world, hello everybody, welcome to Poleeno Multimedia. Mediane Armstrong Poleeno Ade. So now your first time I hear a video, I know I subscribe to the channel, I know I click on bell notification. So now anytime we post a video, you get it straight. Today I'm in Kumasi. Guess what? Benji Aro music video shoot. Okay, my stress because we drew and up power 7 and then Majina Menaso sa afina yeah wrap up. Now I'm in China. Obi Angan Joseph the superstar Nijina so I say yeah the world superstar and Ojina Mencheno. Juvenile, me them friend of mine Juvi. When him Juvenile, my mama tip kakra. So your boy about cool school Kumasi there. Now him Juvenile there. Me a video be say we fake. Say we a boy Oba school Kumasi now him Juvenile we fake. Obi comments na make anyam na make. Oi, what you say? But Juve obi a DJ Khaled. So what's in and say news na circulate now on a DJ Khaled. A whole DJ Khaled are posting a video. One posting a keke one man answer her and no sa follow no. Answer her and no try the video call. Many Juvenile everything community. Watch the full video, watch I say. But subscribe to the channel and go Instagram Poleeno_com. Ne follow your house so. Man Juve, meet you out.
Meet you so far.
Pacho we be able to there.
Me adom pa.
Nyami gusu shao.
Nyami ayibi.
Nyami ayibi. Okay. But me say ye can be but ye can Juvenile on why?
Juvenile ye dancer. Dancer wo Kumasi. Me fan say Kumasi dey obi a say dey usikan na obi a wakọ chess bia pay dey and obi a at least or tap pie dey we hunu Juvenile no street say Juvenile dey street dance na
especially your Asafunti stadium there.
Yeah, stadium and the Kodrua way back in the years no the Kodru be an edge. You perceive a humanity near Taba around. Students in the day. Oh,
yeah, and say, yes, so champion and I saw or champion in my son cousin and I was summa. Until we know Masuma, what I say. Juvenile will be a wasai over the years. Me, suck it, and I'm still Juvenile. Na minya kwan ni nshia nyame ya adom mewura SS mu hon na me ni nshia na mo say no Juvenile is the ish you can't dancer Juvenile a dancer but now go for we ehun because na oye more into hip hop so as I say you can hip hop sa ko de mo line e on na you can hip hop nti na go for we ehun because Ghana na Africa na zonto no edidi etim but oye video bi no DJ Khaled ndenyom no man na Juve mam freestyle Ode freestyle. Keep to him, but sorry for her. Allah, Obi Angancho. Follow Juvenile on social media handle.
On you can say on Instagram. GameChanger_Juvenile1.
Okay.
Anna you can say Facebook so. Juvenile the Electro, which is my page.
Okay.
And YouTube so. Game Changer Juvenile na.
Okay.
And you see YouTube there. Twitter also the same thing. Game Changer Juvenile.
Okay. Before I turn come on so say person or her name sabi brain now. But they just Google Juvenile the Game Changer and then you're gonna watch a lot of videos of Juvenile. What you say? Juve,
bro.
Yeah, taking it back to when Khaled they posted a video. A ban saying ni nyina start saying.
To the end of the miracle because
okay.
You didn't even bear through the try the album no so no.
Okay.
We releasing new album be and share that say D month cray.
Okay.
It's minimum nua Kenvel amu no video no no me na e try. Like no fan of DJ Khaled which is motivate a lot because of them inspirational messages now most of the time Instagram share no. It's ye nya anwom no and ye ka say no ye the best. It's the first two na di kan side which is original songs na later na me school on a profile so and I'm also posting a young DJ girl be video so girl no so the nyoma ahiti popstar no and a day mix or the DJ mix timimiti na as a sound na ye familiar because one say yeah star na ye pesa beat na crazy because beat we dey meet me for some na ye dey aye no ti me download the video no na me convert song no audio no from video no man audio and I mean me and I can't say they started the very day try no me the kind post it to me page in him which is my Instagram page in him and I later me and so post it to on Instagram page but later how much be and I mean I can't say yes I dia man is posting how much and to me no nyina official group the game changers a group to post it to me na how much na DJ I first person we can post here Accra na DJ na no mix no Accra so once we superstar power US enti Accra na post here na DJ Khaled copy if you Accra no and also repost here enti you create who energy ensem seriously because
not tag omo
tag omo alright enti Accra na DJ kan file post here no DJ Khaled ko hu here no so here dey also ko fa free Accra no so post here
okay. They all can mean no. I said, maybe DJ Khaled post, you know. They all trying to say, obisa DJ, we say at 100. Did you see this?
I am DJ Olivia.
DJ now.
Yeah.
Okay. Now then, I also obisa and say, did you see this? Because I don't know DJ Khaled post it. And also obisa na didn't say.
So video, no, no, from the expressions, no. Obisa actually say like, who be sad because only made him come the very day crow from a live video. No, my mate say. Yeah, man, I'm not crying. Okay. Like,
I mean, it's not easy, man. It's not easy. It's not easy. Say a whole DJ Khaled ever post you video. I mean, you are the world superstar now, but young no, asa follow. It's a follow no. Minimum so whole video no. Now we crazy to see that.
Very crazy.
Yeah, even. Yeah, Ghana crowd blog every post will be video. The reactions on the mind.
Now even feedback. Before I was some pion crying example, I remember that day we were online.
Okay.
And I was Sarkodia post guy.
Okay.
And
this girl to the flex.
Instant na like Sarkodia nyam post like let me do some pion like me follow the name because they storm me. Okay. Some old guy be now like we back no Kumasano K videos my when I class I video no.
All right.
It's posting my busum pion mu say all of a sudden nafi the hyper start shooting wow. So me when I say no even Sarkodia post yeah look artist be am na hit here. That means DJ Khaled post here in the chale serious. Then we were so amazed na ensem because it's easy say whole DJ Khaled like easy say DJ Khaled probably me post two video to the profile bro.
No say follow on this way.
O say follow and crowd any that day me niana Kevin any day na outside they say na kiti na no so say bobobu any odiasa to promotion from one because it was crazy bro. It was like it was a surprise.
You say ultra picture to a DJ Khaled be who?
O be like here any be comment here any like you say I say any normal vibe.
Wow.
It mean dim komo nyina ni ade.
Did you feel disappointment in a way because I didn't buy it? No? I think it happens on Thursday.
Yeah.
But not and dominating or Ghana media news, but not a fly outside.
Yeah.
So were you disappointed in a way?
Yeah, I was disappointed because I realized at least there are so many bloggers all over social media, and most of the times no crano. Bitmaker say most of them no follows hip hop. It's your moment like always they want to bring news. Yeah. At least they know what is going on all around the world. Okay. So it's not say say they never saw it. So many people saw it, and as a matter of fact, they now I can say opposite. The next day Obisa me say, do we have media in our country? Wow. Say, oh yeah, Obisa me say, do we have media in our country?
They didn't know Obisa that question
because or realizing will say I say like he's not seeing any hype going on for us. Okay. I know or explain the chair say even in the States say Oko Abontin if he's going for a program. Now say do no be taking selfie and our photograph crowd the person becomes a hit. And the if you're a business crowd people comes to them to buy stuff. And the to be rich because of autograph and just a selfie. So he was just wondering, say how is it happening? Trust me, for the first day now, man will be blogging about it. Now. I was so angry because I felt I say we are not appreciating our own. You understand? I felt say we are not appreciating our own. Because I say you find try say we DJ Khaled Poleeno it was normal. But if you go through his follow monocrana Africans crana not David don't always can no follow mo and then Kramzako was our follow mo. So meaning say young any African people are who follow ye on social media, which is his Instagram page, which is not easy. It's not easy, you know. But nobody is talking about it. Few people who shows love and respect what we are doing is talking about it.
Wow. It's sometimes sad to say be over born more than the media is not appreciating you. And me far way a quan way so nam there too no media for say and your papa no you promote. Sometimes only your problem. You say you posted the good stuff now people are not watching. It's not about the money. Just post it. Say nipa 2 crown over here at least and I'm also nipa 2 hono. Post it. You post it. You promote something about boy a country, you put it on the map. Isn't it amazing? Say DJ Khaled be post a dancer from Ghana. Charlie, you speed up the game na you post it. Me can't answer me brahana matubom until the medium fancy na. And see, right there, no sound for a video call.
Yeah, a video call. That was I think 3 days today. 3 days today. Yeah. Na madam mache. Ti therefore na me tie na meet me na bio na so no. Meet me na idea we be say oh enipa bia ho a na ni kan social media na ti. Ana me yes me log in to my Instagram. Ti me log in no me pay live videos share. Okay. Me pay live videos share but that day me hu na push me me can say no. Me hu no online so live video like or live na so no na dey also me dey me call log in na me ko share me live. Ti me log in na any be 1 minute. And I send me invite request. Wow. Ti me hu na like me pay live video share ti me nim how you see I will criticize I say a pop up once and I'm a quiet day. Because type accept. Me type accept the man say me no make us say room on baby na me gina na ketel be see from see. So na camera na the camera na kita me na face. Say na back camera na face from. The man say me no me say me ni ball camera so say ketel no show me camera ni. Na me say ti me turn camera na be share me so no. Na say all life. Okay. Yo, my brother from Ghana. I mean, why if you create say pronunciation no pronounce it Ghana no kind of Ghana. Okay. And I saw mama shout out, mama, you know the crew now more like no more moving, no more studio. Okay. And all like all mix it. There no catching the cough when they say you on shade the game changes. Ghana like mama the song near trend. Or say a man the song near trend due to your moves in the air and no pussy and a man conform baby na the washing you. Okay. It's in the near Japan. Don't go no beside say are we planning on say be a date dance like name you be dance challenge and say you quite can dey atwa to me kasa baby na mo na network nye and the excitement was like too much in tea. I forgot crossing my screen recording. Okay. Before the guitar screen recording was also when you the whole DJ Khaled hello kasa atoso na kokuma no mukura no mtwape chakra na so, but you are far gone, to be honest. You are blessed, and then I know say Juvenile started way back, and now no in Shana Yamede man no me na me hu to be honest ejemensa me hu say DJ Khaled that posting I go like Juvenile na ya posting here na enyo no me nwe here na enyo so quickly now I have to watch the video and then see say Juvenile and I'm going to say wow this is a big plus. Today now I'm doing screenshot saying I'm there. Me started say me post. It is Zion back on the cry. Zion Felix. Me and I'm train phone. Zion. One say I posted Juvenile. Say I am a Juvenile. So I'm saying him patch publish why. Yeah, because it's something big and publish it and so I know say Ghana Web, Yen and all the other platforms and so PK. Into one won't post it, go post it. And me and for once and one post it. Yeah, Mujigani Kasai, but train film. But what's the plan? What's the plan for the career? For now, I can say we are still trying our very best to work hard, you know, because yesterday game, people never appreciated what we were doing, you know. Okay. Most of the time, people see we are not following the trend in T. We are crying people don't want to like watch what you are doing because they are focusing on one star. Most of the times, it means you're creative. Yeah. But one of the people, anytime we want to do something, yes, we want to do something out of the box. They say we are trying our very best. Say, more dope stuffs because there is more we are planning and working on. Say because we want to.
Because Mekaya, way back 2012. Yeah. Say season fanfare na manayeda. I just say Juve. Abasi abeye dance kwata me on say program na share.
Yeah.
Because I saw about Kumasi Academy. Your fan favorite. That was the first. Oh, summer give me to I give back I want see no. Yeah, how do you do that? Magic and walk of frame and because me say so oh dear Drusa. Minister Tibia. Oh, some no crow.
Oh, bro.
Yeah, me so
and they ride on stage crowd beginner so some crowd meeting from the audience. A draw, and it's crazy because one of the things before your problem I want to say Brunia normal
but
for so many years I'm sorry when I mean 2000 I'm fancy me P and
okay
to 2000 to 2020 right now it's open up say malam ben and me da so kono ho up till now malam chrono na group that's so Jimmy.
Wow.
You see it's God's gift. You understand? That's the main reason why they are not because it does not make sense to people. That is how God works. Bro, if my brother was here, I don't listen to a song for a longer time and some arrange choreography. Okay. Just about 10 minutes, I choreography is bare 4. Within 10 minutes, bare choreography is bare 4. Me tell you na instant na no moves na start ba.
Wow.
You understand? Because I my ache. Imagine.
Na school be cry na one chair or more choreography. Kumasi.
You say 1-1. But my 20 schools be brave. As I'm 20 years I'm 20 kg, that my 27 who cares, my 20 cars that.
Almost most of them.
Do mine, do Gen fee. Most of the schools in them 20 be brave back in the years.
Wow. Yeah, be any akọ you be sure that enya kwan juvenile be bus studio na ya twetwenko na you run career anum ye na wo hu a lot about juvenile. Until right now na ya dey jumade ni so juvenile will last words to your fans and our fans. Yeah, your Benji Aroyo music video I sent you. Who say enyoma bebre den e koso. Afi na ya wrap it up over the setting. You movies are normal. See, to subscribe to Poleeno Multimedia. Now click a bell notification. Anytime you post a video, you get it straight. Go straight on our Instagram page. Then follow Poleeno_com. So I say, anytime you post any video, you get it straight. Juve, or last words.
My last words, and they say, Ghana. We just want your support. You understand? Because we can't do this without the people of our own country.
Okay.
You get? If you go to Nigeria, if a Nigerian man does something, you see how they support him.
Yeah.
Because I've been following a lot of Nigerian dancers out there, and sometimes I watch them and I'm like, see what we are doing and see what these people are doing. Because Charlie, the end of the day, say do what them. We could not video, no bit can do what them. I didn't know for so many bro. Asaya Juma, and it's all that the Pamacho. It's very important. Some of us support here than criticizing because would you know how would you matem? Imagine says a guy said the attempt so what is supporting me. Where would I be? You understand? And what's now the aqua could do here? Walk us and so one share me video. Into one share me video, made it could do baby. Walk us and on comment to video, on comment to made it could do baby. So let's change our mindset, the ways we think. You support here, dear, because at the end of the day, that's the main reason why we call a baby. That's a okonya support go baby. On person because we grab him. It's not because of say when you Ghana, it's because of say how is it treating. We'll be making it to the top now. We are arrogant. It's because of the start now. The whole beginning and the success in and the way I'm confused treating. We'll be our one TBR so support TBR. Our arms are widely open because as I'm speaking to you right now, still we have no management, we have nobody supporting us. It has always been on our own shoulders. And then we are fighting to this time. So if anybody is out there who feel say, when we say, oh, Charlie, the success is at least rising to some level, so I have to come in and support her. All hands are invited.
All right. Ochami onimu asem ko se na wasuma. So person be support game changers. I mean, the doors are open. Yes, sharp. Yeah, the contacts number 2 screen. So send I'll be to me afana wafre. Now what's me assume any help behind just money or management. Any ideas, any kind of stuff be up so the boy behind you can do and use to help. Aha, I Poleeno Multimedia. I'm strong Poleeno there. Bye bye. Okay, I'm a brave. Director Cosmos no. What I say? Benji Aroyo music video shoot. Why are you many? Bye bye.